In AlumilCAL, user has the possibility to change the default T-connection deduction, and either set it to 0, or any other desired value. Let's create, for example, a simple S77 fixed typology with T profile. If we check the T-profile cutting length, we will see that the value for this typology is 936.8 mm. This length includes the default deduction for this system, as it is shown in Alumil's technical catalog. In case user desired to change the default settings, they shall follow the path: user database, system input, system data. Then select the system to be affected. Last, in tab cut, user shall add the correction value, in fields extension T-connection. In the S77 example, this value is -4.4 mm. This change should be done by user on each separate system, and this change will affect all typologies, existing ones, and new ones. So, in case user needs to make the change for just one project, they shall remember to change back these values to 0. Now, if we check how this change affected the T-profile cuts, we will see that the new length is 928 mm. This length includes no deduction. No deduction means that the given CNC machining needs to be disabled, since the given one is not any more valid. As for how to correct the CNC machining, please refer to the training you have gotten from Orgadata training team. That's all. A valuable reminder: when changing cuts, please be aware of what you are doing. Always check before you cut.